Welcome to draft2go. This video will show you how to get the autonomous dispensing system ready for action so you can enjoy perfect draft beer. First, put the two parts of the drip tray together and clip it into the notch on the insulating base. Now place a well-chilled keg onto the base. Make sure that the NC valve and the cutout on the keg top ring are on the same side as the drip tray. Put the two parts of the insulator jacket together around the keg so that the handholds are in line with those on the keg rim. Open the dispensing head and press it down onto the fitting and NC valve. Pull the dispensing head forwards until you hear it snap into place with an audible click. Take off the stainless steel faucet spout and put it aside. Moisten the tappet's O-ring with water and insert the tappet into the round hole provided on the dispensing head. Pull the tap forward and insert the straight end of the one-way line first of all to the right of the clamp. Now, push the one-way line to the left so that it lies centrally in front of the clamp. The central position is crucial so that the beer flow can be stopped later on. Now push the angled end of the one-way line into the connector on the tappet as deep as possible. Hold the tap in the forwards position and pull the one-way line spout down a little underneath the tap to ensure it is firmly in place. Press the line into place at a few points along the holding groove. Do not press it down entirely into the groove with your finger. Now close the lever until it locks with an audible click. And replace the stainless steel faucet spout. Congratulations! Your draft2go is now ready for action, so you can sit back and enjoy your full-flavored draft beer.